everyone! While wrapping the April month, where we truly were on beats, here are the news of April month. DC Model Senior Secondary School conducted grooming classes for Tiny Tots session 2024-25 for our junior DC mites. Grooming classes were tailored to transform the personality of kids. They were taught basic hygiene, etiquettes, and behavioral management.
Welcome assembly was conducted for elementary students on 1st April. Teachers conducted the assembly and welcomed our tiny tots for the new session. The principal also addressed the students and wished them a great learning journey ahead.
DCMC host vibrant Vaisakhi celebration on 12th April. It was a visual treat. Students dressed up in traditional attire and performed Bhangra and exhibited Punjab cultural heritage.
Earth Day was celebrated on April 2nd, wherein educational and action-oriented activities were organized. PowerPoint presentation was shown and students enlightened of their duties towards the Mother Nature. They were advised not to litter the surroundings. The Tiny Tots prepared badges on Earth Day to keep their environment clean and plant more trees. It was a great fun to see the students' zeal.
Green Dream Fest was another visual treat. Students embraced eco-conscious activities and were sensitized towards their responsibility towards ecosystem on 22nd April.
DCMC hosted the Grand Investiture Ceremony for the session 2024-25 on 20th April, where the school campus buzzed with excitement and enthusiasm. The vibrant energy and forward-thinking vision of the newly appointed leaders garnered applause from all corners. The ceremony culminated with national anthem.
Introductory house meeting was held by house in charges on 6th April, where they motivated students for their best performance throughout the year.
Sky Observatory event, Moon Gazing event, a presentation related to astronomy as a stream of science was conducted on 6th April. Students used telescopes to bring into the focus of wonders of the night sky and made use of the opportunities to understand the basics of space science. The children enjoyed themselves to the fullest and will cherish these memories for years to come.
On 19th April, a dazzling talent extravaganza for grade 4 to 6 showcased exceptional talent where young performance captivated the audience, leaving them spellbound. From the mesmerizing dances to breathtaking musical performances, the event was a true celebration of talent and creativity. It was an unforgettable experience brimming with unparalleled brilliance and excitement.
Dear Activity, another endeavor to boost student reading skills, was conducted on 23rd April on occasion of World Book Day. Our students came together in the school library to explore a world full of stories and imagination. This event not only encouraged literacy and creativity, but also fostered a sense of community and connection among our students. TED Talk inspired. We had a privilege of organizing our first TED Talk of the session, 26th April, on importance of literature from the eloquence of the Elizabethan age to the modern age narratives. Each speaker painted a vivid picture of how literature shapes our world. It was mesmerizing to listen to the young minds.
First stakeholder meet was held on April 20th and April 27th in DC Model Senior Secondary School for the new academic session 2024-25. The teachers actively interacted with each parent in a group and one-to-one.
Career counseling session aimed to apprise the students of class 11 and 12 about various career prospects was held on 19th April in collaboration with Benesse India Private Limited.
World Heritage Day quiz was conducted on 18th April to celebrate World Heritage Day. It was exhilarating quiz competition. The students showcased their intellect and quick thinking and dazzled the audience with their impressive responses and witty remarks. It was a memorable tribute to our global cultural heritage.
The graduation ceremony on 2nd April for grade Prep 2 was indeed a momentous occasion. The smiling cherubs beamed with ecstasy when they donned the graduation robes and held their degrees in their hands. Congratulations to our young scholars on reaching the first milestone.
That's all for the month of April. Stay tuned, we will again share exciting news the successive months.